COD Cloud ERP may be a global, full-featured enterprise resource planning platform built for the manufacturing sector. Its current crop of corporate customers is opened up everywhere on the planet, spanning production and manufacturing industries like automotive, consumer products, food and beverage, high-tech, industrial, and life sciences. It is featuring ERP for manufacturing. COD Cloud ERP is designed exclusively for manufacturers, hence it supports and manages all kinds of manufacturing processes. Light, flexible and scalable, unlike other ERP suites caught up by a rigid system of top-heavy features and applications, COD Cloud ERP is a light platform that will be configured to your business requirements. Why choose Oracle ERP Cloud? Easy to manage, configure, and offers good transaction traceability. It is a web-based software also supported in Windows and Linux. Explore detailed product overview and compare with other leading solutions with free trial availability for all at anytechtrial.com.